Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning Siri on and teaching Hey Siri so it responds hands-free. Open Settings, go to Siri and search, and enable Listen for Hey Siri and press Side or Home button for Siri. Once done, pick your language and a voice so responses feel natural. Make sure voice feedback and allow Siri when locked or set if you want quick access. This reduces friction later when you call Siri from the lock screen or a car. Now practice the core interactions. Speak naturally and lead with a verb. Say, "Hey Siri, set a 10-minute timer," or send a message to Alex, running late. Once Siri answers, you can follow up. "Remind me about that later," and Siri keeps context. Make sure apps have permissions so Siri can access contacts, calendar, or location, otherwise results will be limited. When you need precise data, include qualifiers like time, place, or recipient to avoid ambiguity. Finish by expanding Siri with shortcuts and device integration. Build a shortcut for routines like commute to open maps, play podcasts, and send Ida with one phrase. Make sure Siri is enabled on each device you use, iPhone, iPad, Mac, HomePod, so requests route correctly. If Siri won't respond, check the mic, network, and Siri settings, toggle Siri off and on, then restart your device. If problems persist, retrain Hey Siri in settings to improve recognition.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.